It is Monday. Happy Monday. I know that you guys are probably tired of me looking crazy. I can't help it. I mean, I can, but I can't. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna roll past that. Eventually, I'll start looking like, pretty and stuff like that when I wake up. But, anyways, so today is an editing day, but also I am going to be changing my locks on my doors because I have this fear that my son is going to walk in on my husband and I. Does anyone ever... Well, this actually... Okay, short story time. Years ago, when my son was about 2 years ago, and I hope that you guys understand that this channel is about like family and true life marriage stuff, that happens in a marriage. So you're gonna hear me talk about little things that are kind of like TMI a bit. You're gonna hear my son in the background making noise because I don't really like having him on my videos all the time, but sometimes. But anyways, just to fast forward. Story time when he was 2 years old. He is currently 5 years old at this point. My husband and I, we were intimate, and for some odd reason, every apartment that we live in, the bedrooms never have like locks at all. It's like one of those like knobs that has no locks at all. It's just both unlockable. Okay, so we were being intimate and he was supposed to be taking a nap. We thought he was taking a nap. We checked to see if he was taking a nap. Homeboy was taking a nap, and he walked in on us. Walked in to the point that I got up so fast, ran to the bathroom and started crying. Like I was showering and I was crying because I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe my son just experienced that. But Lisa's thing, he didn't see as much, but the way he walked in as if he was watching the whole entire thing, and then walked right next to us on our bed and was like, what are you guys doing? And I'm like, and I just basically jumped up. So yeah, so ever since then, whenever we get intimate, I always have like this fear that he'll walk in. So this apartment that we live in, all of the rooms have the same knob. But if we do get intimate, it's more of like really discreet. It's more of like hiding in weird places and all that other stuff. And I kind of got fed up of that. So I decided to buy doorknobs with a lock. And it's not those lock that needs a key, but at least we'll know that you're coming, not no sneak attack type of situation. So I did change the one on my bedroom door already. I have to change the one on my office door, which is where I'm at right now, and then one in their room, because my stepdaughter is going to be staying with us for the school year, and I know that whenever she's out the shower, I want her to feel like she has privacy, because my son, he would randomly just bust into the door, like not even thinking that someone's changing or anything like that. And for her being a young lady, I want her to feel like she has home privacy. So that's why. Also for my office space, if I'm recording, they'll just bust into the room, like no knock, no hey mommy, warning, nothing. So I'm trying to basically teach everyone that you are able to have privacy. There's no locked door. How to say it? We don't lock any doors other than the bathroom. Like the bathroom, you need to lock the door while you're using it. And it's not those locks where you can't unlock it without a key. So either way, you don't fully have the privacy. It's just to know that, okay, right now, I need some privacy and I need you to respect that type of thing. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Also, I'm going to be starting another challenge that, I start challenges and I never complete them. But like this one, I really need to. I want to do the running challenge where I run for 30 to 45 minutes a day and drink 1 gallon of water a day. So for 30 days straight. And that's something that I want to get into. I kind of stopped working out a little bit and started eating crazy, started drinking, not hard liquor, but like drinking wine, my weakness, and just like doing the most. And I haven't really I noticed that my body has been changing, obviously, because eating carbs and roti and pylori, just all of these unnecessary things that we don't want. And I want my body to look a certain way. I do. I just need to work really hard for it. So you guys are gonna see me with that whole journey. I guess we'll catch up from there. I will be posting a video after the 30 days showing you guys like maybe like a time lapse of what my body looked like before and what it looks like at the end of the 30-day challenge. If you don't see that video, clearly I failed and I didn't do it. So, but I do want to say this. I am not going to change the way I'm eating. The only different thing that I'm doing is drinking the gallon of water and doing the 30-day run challenge. So it's not a matter of me changing how I eat or anything like that. If I do choose to change how I eat from time to time, that's just going to be it. But you're not going to see me like, oh, I'm like this health guru. Like that's not where I'm at. It's going to be on my journey, but that's not where I'm at right now. Okay? So, yeah.
Have you ever fallen out of love?
Hello, guys. Wait, they
We
can't
hide
see
and
me.
play dumb or change the station to push
Hello.
buttons into shove. We get so clever.
Hello.
Everyone knows our hearts in their holes. There's water in the boat. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is, I'm tired of lying to myself.
Okay, I was having some trouble. So I went on Google because Google stay having. I lied. I went on YouTube. I went on YouTube to figure out exactly how to take this thing out. So I was struggling, obviously. So I went and got a fork. I don't know if this is gonna work because I don't know what else to use in order to get this thing out. But there's like a little hole right here. Can you guys see? And apparently you gotta put something in there and then take it out. It's not coming out. Oh my gosh. Why is this so complicated? Oh, y'all didn't see it. Wow, that is crazy. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. But I basically pulled it out. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I saw that. I know y'all did. Boom. Okay, what's next? Alright, so we have this bad boy here. So from what I remember, I'm gonna insert this like this. Please be able to insert. Boom. Perfect. I mean, it's a weird way of locking it, but now I gotta do this door, because what I did was put a safety thing on here, and then my son knows how to open it. He just gets in there quick. Don't mind his room, well, their room. He tried cleaning it up today. So I have so many things to fix. I have to fix this door. So many things. But we're going to be doing this one next. Hey guys. Happy Tuesday. I am not really doing much today, to be honest with you guys. I was doing I was doing a little bit of editing on my thumbnails. There were some thumbnails that I did not like, so that's what I was doing. And also I am shopping. So my cousin is having a kind of like a makeup class birthday party situation at her house in New Jersey. So you guys know I live in Boston, so I'll be having to drive there next 3 weeks from now. So I was looking for an outfit for her event, and I decided to look on Pretty Little Thing. So her theme is kind of floral. She wanted floral and jeans, floral top and some jeans, or floral pants and a jeans top. So I got a whole bunch of stuff on sale. Not too bad. But this top I got this top right here to rock with some jeans that I have. I saw this top for $6 and I was like, oh, let me get this. It's so cute. What else? The skirt was $8. I said, let me get this too. These jeans, I was thinking about wearing these shorts with the top that I purchased, this one. I don't know how that's gonna look, but I'll see. And I got some earrings, and I got these cute shoes. Oh, these are so cute. And everything came up to $71. Not too bad because I used the discount as well. Super excited about that. So for me, I don't really shop casually. I would shop if I have like an event to go to or something. So you're not going to catch me being like, oh, I feel like shopping today. Let me go buy this, and that. It's not going to be me. I do plan on going back on Pretty Little Thing though to see if I can find something else. Because they have a sale, and my problem is that I only buy stuff for events that I go to. I never have clothes hanging out. I don't have casual clothes that I can go, you know, shopping or go to eat out. I don't have clothes like that. I don't, and I don't like wearing things twice in a row. It's weird. I act like if I have like this whole bougie mind, and I really don't. Absolutely not. But Pretty Little Thing has some cute stuff, like, my husband will kill me even though I would wear it. This is cute. Honestly, I don't think I'm girly, but I like some girly stuff. Like this, I would rock that. I love this dress. This is beautiful. I like that a lot. I'm thinking about ordering food. My phone died. I'm thinking about ordering food. I did cook food yesterday, but I feel for something else. Either I might cook some curry chicken today, but I'm feeling for something. Like, I don't know what I'm feeling for. I want some oxtail. That's what it is. Comment below if you guys like oxtail. I don't know if it's because I'm West Indian and I grew up with these foods, but like, I know there are non-West Indian people who like oxtail and they enjoy it. But yes. Also, are you guys ready to see my wedding photos? Like, I know it's been like a while, but I love them so much. I thought I looked amazing. I was so beautiful. I was. But I will show you some. I'll show you some. So with Sandals, the property that I stayed on, if you buy a package with them, they'll give you some free like printouts. And this is my husband. Look how cute he was. Oh my god. Let me see what else I'll show you guys, and then I'll let you guys see everything when I post it. I'll just show you a little janky one with us laughing. Isn't that cute? But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see everything, see my dress, what it used to look like. It's no dramatic change, but you guys, you'll know. But actually, by this time, you probably would see my wedding dresses, actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, because I'm posting stuff from weeks before now. So, yeah, you guys would have already seen it. But let me know if you guys enjoy these content. I know it's like sit down, doing nothing, or me running around doing errands, but this is really how my life is right now. And that's it.
I've been trying, you ain't on. Our time is up. I'm moving on. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
What's up? What's up?
Okay, so today, guys, today is Friday, so happy Friday. I am actually rushing in a sense. I have to cook, and there's like a whole lot of like errands that I have to make, but I got my nails done. I don't usually get my nails done, but I've been trying to be like this lady, like a girl. So right now, I'm cleaning, I'm cooking. My kitchen is a mess. I don't know why I work like that, but sometimes I do. Right now, I'm making saltfish, provision, and some lentils, and I think I might do some dumplings. I need to do some juicing, clean up my house. It's not dirty, it's just I want to straighten it up and keep it, you know, presentable. My laundry, and then get ready for my friend's birthday dinner picnic-ish type of thing. I do need to record 2 videos of my hairstyle. Can't show you guys that right now, but you will see it's a very simple look. I don't know, I just have a whole bunch of stuff to do, so I guess enjoy me doing that.
I've been torn up in a heartache like the moon. The sun's been pulling out the edge of me, hoping light comes through. Baby, hold me like a night sky holds a mood. Silly colors rushing me, some I can't undo. I hold my tongue to hide the things I can't deny. I've been cutting out these things in me to make me feel alright. I've tried all these things, just don't feel right. Baby, it's all for feeling like maximum. It's why I've been dimming down my sights. Baby, it's all for feeling like maximum. Playing the wrong game is the first mistake I made. Faking hard, but we too young to face the world this way. All I know is that my heart lay on my sleeve. I ain't too good at blending in, my face too hard to bleach. Keeping up like I should act right and get it right with every side. I can't leave, it makes me weak. Oh, I've tried all these things, just don't feel right. Baby, it's all for feeling like maximum. It's why I've been dimming down my sights. Baby, it's all for feeling like maximum.
This is cute.
He already knew what it was.
I pulled it out and he's like, oh, this is great.
Anywhere.
Literally, this is really. So I'm just being the creep that records my friend.
People showed up in 20 minutes. And then
Live on Instagram, they'll ask you, do you want to post or delete? Look at, cut it out. He's so cute.
so grateful right now.
Me too.